Hey, what's up, everybody? We're gonna do a flip trunk installation. It's the trunk. So I removed all the liner and I took out all the clips, and now we gotta unbolt these 10 millimeters and disconnect all the wires and cable. Okay. Alright, so after I cut the hole here, put it here, marked it with a Sharpie, and then I drilled a dot right there, a small drill bit there, and now I'm going to use the bigger drill bit. Alright, so I finished it. I didn't record it, but I did I rivet this twice. 2 rivet nuts here on this bracket, and then 1 rivet nut here. And I'm gonna leave this nut here. This is the original bolt that was on the trunk. This is the other one, but I'm not using that no more. So this one holds the trunk, and this one holds the trunk. And then when for show, I just unbolt this bolt, and then this whole thing will just pop forward. Alright, drilled a hole on the plastic so I can get to the bolt. Okay.